Hi guys, this is Malay and this is the Reverse Sweep podcast. We are back after the end of the final of the World Test Championship. I've got Siddharth, Treyan, Siddharth Jain and Piyush with me. India have lost, obviously. Once again, it really hurts. I mean, we just had one day to bat off, even to share the trophy, and we couldn't even do that. But anyway, we'll move on. We'll discuss all the fallout from what has been a really shocking performance, to be honest, from the Indian cricket team. So let's get started. We'll get started with Piyush. Piyush, first thoughts about that defeat.
I'm it's like 6 in the morning and I'm like still not over of how bad our batting performance was. Um first of all, Rohit getting out at a very crucial time yesterday, like just 2 hours before the day end, and then even if Rohit was out, I'd still faith that our batting attack was decent enough to survive at least till the midway till second session, and we could have pushed it in the last 1.5 hours. But then
Hmm.
it was just a horrific batting performance.
Yeah, it was horrible. I mean,
Like I don't have any words like how bad it was. Like it was very very stupid from Virat Kohli to just poke the ball outside the off from Jamison. Like only one bowler which was the main threat, and we should have known that in the after the first inning as well, that Jamison was one of the only threat that we had. We could have easily played him and then look out for another bowlers to attack if they wanted to. Like I think the game plan should have been to like see out the first hour of the game, and then from there, uh, depending on how many runs you have scored in those first hour and how many wickets you have lost, we should have accelerated or maybe pushed for the score that we felt comfortable was. But that was not the case. Like it was just horrendous batting from Pujara, Virat, and Rahane. So
yeah. See, I
that's
think the problem there is that our batting lineup is so one-dimensional because you can't expect Pujara will accelerate later if you have a great opening partnership. You can't expect Pant will bat sensibly if you have lost wickets earlier. Pant will play like that. Pujara will play like that. So you're almost bound कि भाई शुरू में we'll have to play slowly because Pujara is there, and he will take up a lot of balls. Openers will bat fluently. Rohit and Gill like to both stroke makers, and then Pant will just throw his bat around. So मतलब कुछ adaptability नहीं, like we saw.
no, but
Uh,
that
uh,
that is not true. Like Pant was pretty sensible on how he was batting today. Like people just say that he throws his bat around everything, but I don't feel that's the case. Like from even in the last Australia series, he takes the risk, but that are the calculated risk which helps the team. It's his natural style. So I won't say
yeah,
that he should
I
out.
agree.
I
His
think Malle
natural
means like
style.
one sense of
Hmm.
dimension of play. I
Oh
mean,
Uh,
yeah, that
like
that is true.
like for
But
example,
more.
Kane. If you take the example, मतलब first innings में Kane was playing extremely slowly, and even today, till the time New Zealand got past that 110, 120 mark, Kane was extremely slow, cautious, and then once that happened, he was okay to throw his bat around, move around, get a few boundaries in, and finish the game. So obviously, Kane is not the most multi-dimensional of cricketer. He's probably very limited as well, but our batting lineup is very very straightforward. मतलब पंत के लिए प्लान बनाना है तो you know पंत will try to go after you. पुजारा के लिए प्लान बनाना है तो you know that पुजारा will play 100 90 balls, but he'll not make a lot of runs. So anyway, chalo, we'll move on to Siddharth Rayan and take his thoughts. Sid, what do you think about that performance?
Oh, yeah, it's obviously really disappointing that 6 months ago, Vihari and Ashwin, both literally on one leg, saved a test match in Australia
Hmm.
against that Australian pace attack. And now in neutral conditions, we have like all our experienced batsmen, we have them, all of them are fully fit and they cannot even survive a couple of sessions. And that time it was like, if you lose your wickets, you're all out. This was the third innings, not the fourth inning. So we were in even more of a better situation to not lose the test match. And we still found a way to lose. And I think to add to
Yeah.
that point that batting is fairly one dimensional, it's also the fact that they don't have any pressure on them. Pujara has been averaging 25 or 26 in the last 2 years, fairly long sample size. Kohli has been averaging 26 in the last year and a half, fairly long sample size again. Rahane has been doing well away from home, but like he hasn't been doing the best at home. And like
Rahane
there's
has been very
also, like,
inconsistent,
Hanuma
I would
Vihari
say.
is also like his hasn't really done anything of note. Even Gill, he average is also like 28 in his whole career, a short career, but still. So these batsmen don't have pressure because in our test batting results, there's nobody. Vihari is the next guy, and who else? Like, but there's nobody, no middle order contender, so उनको pressure ही नहीं है. Pujara knows his spot is safe. Rahane knows his spot is safe. Kohli knows his, everything is safe. So they don't have any pressure.
But then I disagree with that point, right? If you take Pujara's case, right, he only plays one format. So obviously, he will want to win this because he knows उसको वो कहीं नहीं और नहीं खेलेगा, cricket कहीं और नहीं खेलेगा. उसको ये तो जीतना है ना, तो उसका तो pressure बहुत होगा.
Definitely, but look at
Nice average, and he's nowhere been dropped. Like half of India
not
still
even
defends
close.
him.
No, yeah, he hasn't been the best batsman for us in the last 2 years for sure.
Even in
But
this game,
I don't agree with the pressure.
even in the third innings, 80 balls for 15 runs. I mean, if he had got another 30, another 25, 30 runs of those 80 balls, the target would have been 160, 170. New Zealand wouldn't have won then. I mean, they wouldn't have gone after the bowling.
Early to Ashwin.
I think everyone is
Yeah.
missing one point is we had in the first inning we had them 162 for 6 or 7, and then they
Yeah, we'll come to that.
Saudi.
We'll come to our lower order batting in a bit, Piyush. But yeah,
and
I think
bowling to lower order batting as well.
yeah. So, but yeah, I think that's what, even if you look at 80 deliveries, if you're facing those many deliveries, it's important that you make some runs. I mean, another 20, 25, even 30 runs, that target was 160, 70, and then I don't
play
think
150 deliveries and see your team to the top.
and I don't think New Zealand would have had the confidence to go after the bowling towards the end. They would have just shut up shop after they had lost a couple of wickets, and they seemed okay with a shared trophy throughout. I didn't feel New Zealand had a lot of urgency, except on the last day first session where they just felt okay. India just throwing their wickets away.
Bowling while they were last day first session, they were bowling. They could not lose the trophy.
Exactly. They had the confidence also. They had the confidence also that India ko 18 wicket lene hai. We just have to take 8 wickets. So I think Anyway, we'll move to Siddharth Jain. Siddharth Jain obviously was live on the channel as well, right from Southampton. He was watching the game on the final day. How was the atmosphere? How was the total? How was the dressing room? If you could get a sense of that.
I think the atmosphere was brilliant. At the start, obviously it died down towards the end because of the situation India came in. But obviously, I think at the start it was like, even though there were only 5,000 people, like I've been in stadiums, I've been in Wankhede, I've been in Dubai, but like even though there were only 5,000, there was a lot of noise, which obviously didn't help the batsmen because in the first sort of play, like all three, Rahane, Pujara, Kohli threw the wickets away. But yeah, I think the atmosphere was great. There was a lot Bharat Army game. They were playing Dhol. I think the best moment was towards the end of the game when New Zealand were about to win, like 30 runs were required, and there were only a handful of New Zealand fans. But Bharat Army started playing Dhol for the New Zealand fans, and then New Zealand fans were chanting for New Zealand, obviously. So that was like good sportsmanship. But I think overall the atmosphere was like great around the stadium. And coming to India's performance, I think they got the strategy wrong. I feel they underestimated the time we had like in day 5, right? Because day 5 literally around 90, 98 overs could have been bowled. Could have 90
मान के चलते हैं 90 मान के चलते हैं.
And ICC told also whatever happens, because the sky is clear, everything, we will full bowl out the full quota.
98.
In first hour of play, unnecessarily runs के लिए मतलब unnecessary चौके के लिए जा रहे थे.
Exactly.
मतलब कोहली पुजारा रहाणे एकदम सिमिलर पे आउटसाइड ऑफ मतलब कुछ चेंज नहीं हुआ. And I feel like they realized it after lunch. When after lunch, if you remember, Wagner was bowling only bounces, right? Some people might call it negative bowling, but then Jadeja and Pant only got like maximum 10-15 runs, I think, in 1 hour. In 1 hour, they only got 10-15 runs, but they didn't give away any wickets, right? So at that point, I think fans got some belief that we can get till 150, 175. Yeah, kuch to draw nikal lenge idhar se. Like, and obviously wickets were thrown after that. But I feel like if that's what Kohli and Pujara did in the first session of the day, मतलब in the
Exactly.
first start, just play them out. Because Jameson was unplayable, but they still like went around, and that just didn't work out. And then from there, it just
Exactly. I
went
mean, the
from there.
template was there. How New Zealand batted. I mean, if we almost felt like, why aren't New Zealand attacking? There, are they going for a draw? Kane was batting at what 30 strike rate. Tom Latham was very solid at the beginning. Conway was also. So they were not hurried. They had a
But
lot of time.
one shocking thing was we had this template back in Australia as well.
Yeah,
Like
we
Finn and
executed
Vianney
that
were
to
playing.
perfection. And
Yeah, we
But
executed that 2 times, not even once. Like we
but
yeah,
executed that
the
2 times.
the thing
One
in
to play
Australia.
out a draw.
But the
Yeah.
thing was, there was no pressure in Australia. In Australia,
No,
in
there
there
was
was.
no, but
If
if you look
we
at
had lost that
that
series,
you draw, you win the trophy
no,
here.
but
So that
if you look at the personnel that was there in Australia, they were all
Hmm.
mostly new guys, fresh people, don't have the baggage or whatever
but I
previous cricket
wonder
they
what
played.
changed from Australia that might have, changed our strategy,
no, but my point is
tactics.
basically
Wonder what changed.
if yeah, but the point is that match was as crucial as the final because if we had lost that match
Yeah, if we
and
lost both, we would not have made it there.
we
Uh,
would have not made till finals itself, so it wouldn't have mattered.
फिर तो ये भी नहीं बोल सकते थे कि we played the best in the last 2 years.
I feel like both दोनों game में aggressive mentality थी. Just that one game में work किया. आज backfire किया. In the hindsight, it's very
उस
easy to
मैच
say.
में भी
and
Pujara was
and
batting fairly slowly in both
But
Sydney and
in
Gabba
no,
until
but
but
very
No,
in that they were taking
but
risks, right?
but that
Like in
template
hindsight,
was
it's very
fine.
easy to say.
That
Yeah, in
template
hindsight,
was
it's
no,
very
the
easy to say.
still
template
fine.
was changed here. Like in Australia,
हाँ,
first we secured
वहां
ourselves
भी वो पहले
that
damage limit कर रहे थे. Then they started.
worst case we will draw the match. We will not lose the match.
वही
That
तो.
was the
And
scenario.
यहाँ तो
But
मतलब
today,
like 3.5 days of cricket, man. Come on. If you're supposedly the best touring side and I don't know what all, and then
Best
3.5
sides in the
days of,
last 20 years, best Indian test side ever,
and you're not able to
best
even
side of the
draw
world
a
in the last
final
year.
in 3.5 days. It's embarrassing. Anyway, chalo, we'll
Either
move
the
on.
I think like
Has it?
I think the loss didn't kick in like even till second session. I think till Jadeja
Yeah.
got out. Even after that, like सब लोग at least in the stadium सब लोग सोचते कि draw ही जाएगा.
Like so
Loss
far
तब
we
kick
had
in हुआ.
taken the draw for granted कि हो draw
Loss
ही है,
हाँ,
अब तो ऐसे आज तो
वही. I
formality के
think
लिए आए.
I think players को भी थोड़ा they didn't realize क्योंकि it is again 45 minutes of bad cricket, literally 45 minutes of bad cricket, right? The
But
last
बस बारी
4-5
गजब.
wickets, the
but
last
45
4-5
minute
wickets we
add
lost in
होते होते
45
अब
minutes.
15-20
The last
matches.
4
6 साल हो गए 45 minutes निकलते.
I think हाँ वो जब loss kick in हुआ, I think that was like in the third session थोड़ा जब
Yeah.
वो जब खेल रहे थे तब थोड़ा kick in हुआ उसके बाद. लेकिन तब
Like
तक तो I
पता भी
think
नहीं चला कब ऐसा situation आ
वही
गया New
तब
Zealand need
वही
130 in 55 overs.
right
Nah.
वही.
Like it
Anyway,
got
moving on
kicked.
to our next topic for this podcast, uh, our Indian lower order batting, right? So our batting beyond Ashwin just doesn't stand at all against anyone. I mean, the easiest bowling lineups also, and against New Zealand, Australia, so they don't have a chance. In Australia, people like Shardul, Washington got runs and bailed the top order out because the top order there also, let's be fair, did get out at a place where India were at a disadvantage. But here again, the moment Pant gets out, everyone just folds. I mean, Shami swinging, okay. I mean, how far can you go with the argument that he doesn't know anywhere else? If you're playing international cricket, you're playing test cricket, then you got to have the ability to like survive at least 50-60 deliveries if the bowling is not and let's be fair, it were not unplayable conditions. I assume Sid can add to it, but the way New Zealand batted, there were plays and misses, but these were not conditions where you can't just bat. So let's discuss on that, on what is the problem. I mean, why is our lower batting order so bad? We hardly average more than 10 runs even in the last 3 wickets.
So there's two perspective to it in my opinion. या तो तुम्हारा लोअर ऑर्डर आए 20-30 बॉल जैसे if you look at New Zealand का first inning they were 162 for 6 and उसके बाद Jamieson made 30 odd, Saudi made 30 odd,
51 runs they added. Jamieson made 30 and Saudi made 20 something.
Saudi
51.
made more in 1 inning than Pujara made in 2 innings. मतलब ऐसी state है वो.
whatever. So yeah, so see
he was.
the thing is we have been very poor in taking out other tailenders, and are tailenders. So I think Bumrah averages 2 or something. But the thing is, there's either two approach. So either you come in and you just go all gun blazing and you at least score 15, 16 quick runs. Okay.
Like Sami did okay, I think, given the
Nahin,
circumstances. If
but the
everybody
point
can add
is,
10, 15
see,
runs, yeah,
but
even if you
again,
don't survive, that's not bad.
but again,
But
that's
टेस्ट क्रिकेट में
the
कभी
Yeah.
कभी टिकना पड़ता है, कभी कभी
हाँ,
टिकना
but
पड़ता है.
that's
वो
the
तो-
point, right? The
No, no.
flexibility is
Yeah,
the
that
point.
is what.
So if you look at
Flexibility is the point. Yeah.
if you look at what New Zealand's lower order did, because Kane was there for some time, they were hanging around. एक बार when Kane got out, when they know कि okay now so we're suddenly 162 for 7, we can actually fold out without even getting a lead. They started going after the bowling and added 50 odd runs. So you can't say कि भाई मुझे तो ऐसा, I mean for Bumrah तो it's different. He can't either defend or attack. So
Hey, matlab, if you can do one thing, that's I think
at least if you can
can't
do
expect
one
too
thing.
much.
But with Shami also, it's more of ki okay lag gaya to lag gaya. If it's a smart bowling attack, he won't make more than 15 runs anyway. But chalo theek hai, 15 is also not a bad score if all three can get it. But the problem is really, I mean, as a collective, our lower order is
that has been a problem since a long time, I believe. Like I don't remember
I think
lower order even surviving for more than 3 overs. Like I had no, as soon as Ashwin got out, I knew that within next 2 overs we are getting all out. So that was the belief even in me. So like when we needed someone to just play out the balls or anything, like they just can't defend it. Even if they want to defend, they will nick it or they will just miss the ball. So I'm not
कुछ
sure.
भी नहीं कर पाते भाई, कुछ भी
Yeah,
नहीं कर
that's
पाते.
that's really annoying, and I think that comes from the grassroots level of how they are coached. But the thing is, if we don't change that, that might be a problem because in modern day cricket, that older day cricket is not anymore. Like if you are a bowler, you are not expected to bat because now the pitches are more compatible, more there's more competition, and the pitches are not like how they used to be, and that nowadays it's
especially
not.
with the advent of T20 cricket, like आजकल सीखना पड़ रहा है सबको.
But अभी भी जो
And one
Indian
more,
team में latest bowlers are,
But
if you see
कोई नहीं
who's
सीख
come,
रहा.
Natarajan has come. Natarajan can't hold a bat.
नटराजन, आवेश,
I think the
आवेश
only bowler who could
can't
bat
hold
was
that.
Bhuvneshwar Kumar. I don't
हाँ,
remember any
correct. And that's the
bat
template that
playing
you.
bowler.
Bhuvnesh Kumar is
Yeah,
the
Saini can't
ideal.
be bat, Umesh can't bat.
कोई नहीं कर सकता
Natarajan is
भाई,
coming. He
कोई-
can't bat. Avesh is in the next in the line. He can't bat. Tyagi can't bat.
Prasidh
Deepak
Krishna
Chahar,
bowling भी नहीं करता.
Chahar can't bat.
Chahar
Deepak
can bat.
Chahar.
Char made
Deepak
some
Chahar,
runs
Deepak
once
Chahar.
against to win a game again for CSK, but I
But
mean,
Punjab against my number 5 पे आया था.
I think
but,
like the problem steps in from the management. If you remember, Australia series के बाद अगर अश्विन का कोई podcast देखोगे, he said Natarajan didn't bat the hole in the nets, right?
हाँ.
They
Yeah.
were in Australia for
He
like.
never batted in his life. उसने
and
बोला.
then they
कभी
were
batting
clapping
नहीं
कि
करी.
नटराजन ने बैट लगा दिया, बॉल लगा
वही
दिया.
मैं बोल रहा हूँ. हाँ, क्यों बैटिंग कोच का क्या रोल है? ऑब्वियसली आप कोहली को थोड़ा ट्रेन करोगे बैटिंग कोच बनकर. विक्रम राठौर थोड़ा बहुत कोहली को ऐसे ड्राइव कर, वो कर. वो तो कोहली पुजारा को पता है कैसे बैटिंग करना है. वो तो उसका जॉब क्या है फिर? Like I don't want to criticize the management because I don't know what happens behind the scenes, but I'm just saying his main job should be to make the bowlers bat, right? Like Natarajan, if he doesn't want to bat, make him bat. Like it's
Yeah.
a job, like for India, right?
मतलब
Like,
कैसा
he can't do what he
Rhinos
wants.
में
I
भी
mean,
batting नहीं करी. I've never heard
the
that.
the best example is someone like Tim Southee, who used to be very close to what Shami is, just come slog, go out. But over a period of time, he's developed a game where he can hang around at least.
Even
And-
Stuart Broad, if you look at like Stuart Broad, same thing.
Another thing,
before his
even if you look at England, for example, Jack Leach in the Headingley test, he did survive so many deliveries, and
Australia we like Cummins, Stark can properly like Cummins
Hazelwood
can
No,
be-
bat
that
properly.
is
Stark can
that is
slog.
what is lacking between like when you compare us
Hazelwood and Lyon can hang around.
currently, which are England, Australia, and New Zealand. Currently, I don't rate any other team apart from them. So those
कोई
three
है ही
and
नहीं
India are
भाई,
like-
क्या करोगे रे?
हाँ,
The
तो
top
इन्हीं से
four-
compare करना है ना.
So when you compare Australia, you look at Cummins, Stark, they all can bat. You look
When
at
Hazelwood Lyon stuck around, I think first test in
You look-
2018
हाँ.
almost वो जिता
Yeah.
गए थे.
and then you look at England, you have someone like Vokes, you have someone like Broad, you can
Archer,
I'm not
Archer
sure.
भी घुमा सकता है.
Archer can bat.
Rashid.
Then you
Khan,
look at New Zealand,
not
Jamieson.
Dom
Yeah.
Bess is
I
pretty
think
decent batsman.
like Piyush said earlier that India very template system, right? Like if you look at India, agar Hardik khelta, Hardik was their main guy 3 years back, right? Like even Kohli said in press conference that they lack a medium, they lack
हाँ, but
they lack a pacer who can bat. If they get a pacer who can bat, right? then one of the three don't play, or I don't know.
But
Jadeja also plays and
my
Clifford also
question
plays.
is,
But
why there is
Hardik,
no development from the domestic circuit? Like
वही तो
we
हाँ,
have
वही
Hardik
तो.
is not
full
playing.
of talent.
Is known to entire India for the last almost 1 year now. कि Hardik
2
won't
years.
be available for the
हार्दिक
test
2
match.
ओवर नहीं डाले आईपीएल में पिछले पूरे साल में।
तो
और उसके बाद का दुबई कंटेंशन में शिवम दुबे उसके बाद, और कोई है नहीं बीच में.
भाई
विजय
दुबे
शंकर
का नाम मत ले भाई. That is
भाई
एक how does New Zealand play Colin de Grandrom? I don't know. He's maybe
how
Shivam
can we
Dube.
not have a guy who pulls 140 and can bat? Like
ये
कोई तो होगा
140 भी नहीं,
domestic में.
120 125 भी डाल ले,
हाँ
डिग्रैंडोम जैसा भी डाल ले चलेगा।
हाँ,
No,
मतलब
I think
डिग्रैंडोम ने जब
one
न्यूजीलैंड को जरूरत थी कंटेन करने की फर्स्ट इनिंग में,
His
तब
bowling is
डिग्रैंडोम वाज
there,
ओके.
वो he bowls nagging lines, like वैसा भी
हाँ.
डाल दे कोई कंटेनिंग बॉलर की जरूरत पड़े तो 2-4
But-
ओवर डाल दे
but
for like not many runs.
losing to a
When
team who
somebody
has
needs
Colin
it.
de Grandrom in starting 11 is a criminal activity. Like
अब हमारे
Virat Kohli
बैट्समैन भी
should be
bowling नहीं
jailed for
करते
that.
हैं। पहले
हाँ.
बैट्समैन bowling करते थे, सचिन
हाँ.
would bowl, off spin, leg spin, medium pace सब डालता था। सहवाग
भाई
would
विराट
bowl,
कोहली should
गांगुली
play
would
that
bowl.
role. विराट कोहली का swing अच्छा
Virat
है.
Kohli बस practice match में he will bowl.
वही, वो क्या time pass.
But jokes aside,
Anyway,
I think only person currently in our system who can bat little bit is Shardul Thakur. Like people might not rate him
But he
that.
can't bowl then, so
हाँ, but
मतलब I'm
शार्दुल is a
telling
limited overs
as a
bowler ना, तो
like
मतलब
उसके लिए
but
हम ईशान शमी बुमराह को
test
ड्रॉप
में-
नहीं कर सकते।
that is what I'm telling. I'm telling apart from our frontline five pacers, Siraj, Umesh, Ishan, Bhuvnesh, Bumrah, and Shami. The six pacer which we have as a backup is Shardul Thakur. Like correct. So only he can bat little bit, like decently well. Like, but that's a huge factor, and I think if Hardik is not fit in coming days, also India should really look at developing someone or grooming someone for that role because
कोई है ही
इससे
नहीं
ज्यादा
ना,
वैसे ज्यादा
कहाँ से डेवलप होगा.
I
है
still
ही नहीं.
remember in our first
IPL.
podcast we said two things. We said Kohli century and we said will Hardik be fit. अभी 30 podcast होने जा रहा है और फिर भी सेम पे अटके हुए. कोहली सेंचुरी
दोनों नहीं हुआ, कुछ नहीं हुआ।
भाई दोनों एक टॉपिक.
but I get that they are not rushing Hardik because they want
अरे
him.
but वो even if he's
हाँ.
fully fit, he's not it, man. He's not a test bowler. He's not a test batsman. He's like सस्ता टेस्ट कॉलिन de Grandhomme से भी बेकार हो
भाई
No, but the thing is, he has not played. So, but I still think
जब खेलता था तब की बात कर रहा हूँ मैं. Even when he
Hardik
played, he
can
was
be
not
a
a
good
test
asset.
batsman or a
Anyway,
bowler outside of leg one.
let's move on. One more point I wanted to discuss was what has happened to Ishant Sharma's batting. Ishant, I remember, used to be someone
2010 में
who used to be someone
Australia
5-7
against
years back who could hang around, who could at least defend, who could make 5 runs out of 30 balls kind of stuff. Now, just the moment Ishant comes, they start bowling short and he's fending and gets out on one of the deliveries. So, and the problem actually with this is ki this will not have any consequences, and that's what I wanted to discuss before we move to our last topic. Was why is there a big lack of consequences in Indian cricket right now? We haven't won an ICC trophy since 2013. The best we have done is reach the finals in this 2017 Champions Trophy.
Don't remind me that, man.
Since then, since we last won a trophy, the only top 10 teams that haven't won a trophy: South Africa, biggest chokers in world cricket; India, Bangladesh, Zimbabwe. That's the kind of company we're in now.
Yeah. What have
These
Australia
are the
won?
teams that haven't won a trophy since 2013.
What
बाकी
have
सब एक
What have Australia won?
Australia won in
2015 World
2015.
Cup.
Oh, sorry,
2015
2013.
Australia won 2015, West Indies
2015,
won
2015.
2016.
West Indies, Sri Lanka won in
Pakistan
2016,
17.
won in 17, England won in 19, New Zealand won in 21. So 6 out of the top 10 countries have won.
Yeah,
Now
so it's just
India is
India, West India, India, Bangladesh.
And that's
South
really
Africa and
shocking.
Afghanistan / Zimbabwe.
That's really shocking for a team which is sending two different squad and playing two different.
And like हमारा second squad is like overwhelming favorite to smash most first teams. So इतना strength है.
I think Nasser Hossain made a very valid point on commentary where he said ki, I mean they were discussing about the resources that New Zealand have and India have. And
in the but what it matters are
what exactly what it matters is on that day the 11 that you have 11 versus 11 who does best. And I think New Zealand right from their selection, I remember I think when we did the day one review I said ki the New Zealand were not good in the first session of the test match. Their bowling, they wasted a lot of bowls. They gave India a good start
After winning the toss,
after we did the toss. But look at how they came back. Second day of cricket, I mean, I think second day was washed out. So day three, first session, they absolutely were spot on. And then, I mean, let's have a word for New Zealand also. They on this
No,
test
they were
match, they were.
tremendous.
You can say they were lucky to be in the final. Just won at home, didn't win even a single away series. But on
Yeah, there
the
was like
eve of the
most countries
final,
that didn't win an
but
away series.
but
So you
one
can't say
point is
that.
there
Australia
that
didn't win an away series.
yeah,
England won against Sri Lanka only. So like I don't know, there would be nobody else in the final
I
if you
mean,
want to say.
I'm saying that. See,
India winners.
before the
इंडिया के
before
अलावा
the
दूसरी टीम भी तो चाहिए
before
फाइनल में.
before the reshuffle happened because of the pandemic, New Zealand were what fifth or sixth. They were beaten 3-0
No, they
against
were
Australia.
third only. They
But
were
no,
like
no,
they were fourth.
they were
No,
They were
fourth.
below Australia,
They were
they
fourth.
England, and
after they
India.
whitewashed India, they were like third because
Huh.
120 points. Oh,
So,
when they
but
whitewashed.
what I'm saying is, after the reshuffle of the points happened, the percentage wala thing happened. Before that, they had lost to
उनका सीरीज भी
Australia
I think
3-0.
बांग्लादेश या ये था which they probably would win and then people can't say. That got cancelled, then people can't even say
So, but anyway,
that.
that's anyway going away from the topic. What we were discussing was back to the original topic of why is there
But
a
yeah,
lack of consequences in Indian cricket. We have not won for 7-8 years now. With the biggest cricketing nation in the world. I mean, it
I
baffles me.
think
Let's start with Piyush. Yeah.
I think there's a fear among the top BCCI management is what I feel like. I think the popularity and the people who support Virat Kohli, like you like it or not, but as I've been saying since long, he is not the right fit to lead us in the limited over cricket because,
Any
uh,
cricket, man.
Any
but
cricket
no.
man. I mean,
So the thing,
Any cricket.
no. So
Not limited over cricket as we've
so
seen today.
let me tell this. So
huh.
why I feel that like in limited overs cricket, you need to be a lot of you need to be reactive and you need to be involved a lot. And Virat Kohli decision and making is very pathetic in limited overs cricket. You've seen in RCB for like 9 years. You have seen in Indian cricket team, be it a 50 over or a T20. You need someone who is calm and who can think better at that moment when the game is going away or when the game is changing. But what Virat has done well in the Test series is he has built that fighting squad and a resilient squad from scratch. Like you might agree or not, but I feel Virat has been great in Test as a captain. Not like if you like don't. I know he was. I don't think so. He was bad in any captaincy decision during the finals. It was down to his batting performance and the batsman performance. Otherwise, apart from that, his bowling changes, his fielding placement, everything was more or less spot on. You might agree here and there, one or two decision might have not been good, but I really liked how he got Bumrah in, and when we got whose wicket in the end, like when we had three or four maidens in a trot, and then Shami came and took the wicket. So
Hmm.
those tactics were spot on. Like when you go deep dive into some of the tactics of what we did in the field and how we did was great. Like I don't have any problem with Virat being the captain, but then having said that, if that is hampering his batting performance, and that is something which he will know better, because agree or not on his form and with his caliber, he is undoubtedly one of the best out there. He hasn't been performing well, but you can't deny that he is not the best, is what I am saying.
Yeah, but
So
2 years is a
something,
very long time to.
I completely agree. But that is something up to Virat Kohli, what he thinks about his batting performance. If that is something which is hindering his batting performance, I would rather have him come up and just let someone else take the captaincy away from him, maybe Rane or maybe Ashwin in Test. But definitely, I think he should give away the T20 or and the ODI captaincy to Rohit Sharma. Is what I feel. He's far much
Oh.
captain.
I think
Virat
we
Kohli.
will go to Sid, but just wanted to add one more point before we go there. Ki, see, Test cricket mein there are so many template decisions and so many ready-made decisions that you make.
It's hard not to. It's hard to make
Yeah,
bad decisions.
it's
Like
harder to make bad
autopilot पे चल
decisions.
सकते हो basically.
And one thing was didn't introduce Ashwin till Conway and Latham survived the session till T, and a lot of things. Anyway, we'll move to
Yes,
Siddharth
yeah,
Jain first. And then we'll move to Siddharth Jain first. Siddharth, why is there a lack of consequence in Indian cricket?
Yeah, I feel like captaincy is a big issue, but in Test cricket at least, I feel like in limited overs you have to think more on your feet and make quick decisions. In Test, I'm pretty sure there are data analysis after every day. There's data analysis, there's coach Ravi Shastri batting, bowling, data analysis. They make a combined decision, right? कि obviously वो थोड़ा खुद खोली, थोड़ा खुद सोचा है मैं अश्विन को नहीं लाऊंगा फर्स्ट ओवर में. उन्होंने प्लान किया होगा कि we will not bring Ashwin till this over. Obviously, it looks better that Ashwin got them out. Maybe for a second over, mein, he could have gotten out. But I feel like there's much bigger problem than captaincy, especially in Tests. I feel like batting in general has been the reason we haven't been winning these trophies. For bowling, I feel like Ishan in the last 3 years, he's been one of my favorite bowlers because of the way he's progressed. Again, Shami, the way he's progressed, like I felt like 4, 5 years back, Shami was declining thoda, and then obviously personal problems started to kick in. But then he bounced back after that. So Shami, Ishant have been growing. And then we see players like Shardul, Avesh Khan, and then Chetan Shakari in the IPL. Obviously, that doesn't matter to the Indian team. But then Bumrah, finding Bumrah. So I feel like bowling as a whole has been a great unit. But the batting has been so inconsistent, like in all ICC formats, right? Like Champions League final collapsed, World Cup semis collapsed. Then T20 semis against West Indies, we started slow where Rahane got that really slow. So I feel like batting as a whole, and today obviously we like first session we lost so many wickets. So
Yeah.
I think batting as a whole has been the problem. I don't know if the overthink in the dressing room or like I don't know what. Because like these games are so big, right? Like no one can coach them. Like I'm
Exactly.
pretty sure Ravi Shastri doesn't.
Yeah,
Ravi
what I
Shastri
was
doesn't
saying
have the
was
balls to go and tell Kohli play like this.
what I was saying was let's look at the tournaments that we've lost of late and the consequences about that. 2015 World Cup, we were not expected to win. We did well, won all our round robin games, lost to a better team in semi-final. I think that was fair enough. 2016, I don't think anything changed. Nothing changed. Maybe
Nothing major change.
was Duncan Fletcher the coach at that time? Then he gave way
Ravi
for
Shastri
Kumble.
was team manager.
Yeah, Ravi Shastri was team
He was in
manager.
the
He was in the setup. 2017 final, we lost. Anil Kumble.
2016 is something which we should have won. Again,
Yeah.
2017
we
should have
lost.
won easiest route to a trophy in recent history.
Yeah, 2017 final we lost. Anil Kumble was sacked post that because of the final or because of differences with Kohli. I don't know. And that's when this guy took over, Ravi Shastri. 2019 World Cup, abysmal collapse in the semi-final, 5-3. No consequences. Sanjay Bangar was removed out of the setup, and now
Dhoni
this
was
failure.
not picked after that.
Yeah, and
One consequence.
yeah, and then after this, and there will be no changes again. Sid, do you
I
think?
don't see more than 1 or 2 changes in the next test, and I don't see.
I mean, in playing 11 में तो whatever natural progression has happened.
कुछ नहीं होगा, captain change नहीं होगा, coaching staff change होगा.
No, but
Shouldn't. Why? अभी तो जीते, we won against Australia को 3-1 हराया, England को भी हराया. Why should you change based on one test? Obviously it's a final.
You
We
know,
have bottled it. I agree. But like, why would you want to change it?
But that's the culmination of. So let's take an
No,
example in football also. Sorry, Piyush, what you're saying?
no, so I agree with Siddharth Jain here. So the thing is, we are equating a Test World Championship with a 50 over World Cup or a T20 World Cup. But you should see the point that this is 2 years of hard work and not some 6-7 games, which is in a tournament or format or a group stage. So
2 years
that
of
is
hard
two
work
totally.
maybe. 2 years of hard work, maybe the one series we won where we were not overwhelming favorites was when Kohli was not there.
No,
The one test
I'm not
Kohli was
talking
there, we
about.
got utterly
I'm not
embarrassed.
talking about Kohli here. So what I'm trying.
That's one consequence that could happen, right? Like
No. So what I'm trying to change the fact is a lot of people are
that is the
comparing this-
crown jewel of that last 2 years. That Australia series.
That is
when
completely
Kohli was not
okay.
there.
No, that is completely fine. I agree. But
So-
what I'm trying to do here is what people are trying to make this final and a World Cup final. But I think those two finals are very very different, and those two formats which we are playing are very very different. You can't if we had lost this, if would have been a World Cup final and we would have lost it, so definitely I would be the first person calling out we should sack Ravi Shastri and we should remove Virat Kohli immediately. But uh, looking
इतने
at the
वर्ल्ड कप जो आ रहे हैं उसका कुछ नहीं हो.
no 2019 we lost and everyone wanted them out, but they didn't.
Nothing changed, right?
Nothing will change because 2017
Yeah,
also कुछ change थोड़ी हुआ.
So
हार
that
गए
is
ना.
up to BCCI. I think that they are too afraid to remove Virat Kohli just
Yeah,
because of
that's the thing.
the
It's like
fan following and the clash.
Yeah,
they-
like
But see, in the past, Saurav Ganguly has been removed. Even though Ganguly had a crazy fan following.
Dhoni was going to be sacked in 2014, which
Dhon-
Srinivasan ne bacha liya. He was
exactly.
going to be sacked. Then.
They were
Dhoni was
they
more
were,
popular than Kohli. Is I would say.
exactly. And the other thing is कि there has to be some account. I agree with Piyush saying that okay ठीक है 2 साल का cycle है, World Cup जैसा नहीं है. But in the end, what matters is the trophy cabinet, how much
And
you are
chalo,
winning.
if this was the only tournament we ended up this way, that we do well in the group or the round robin and
But-
end up
but
not
Kohli
winning
has
it,
no
that's okay.
shame.
If it was the first or the
हाँ.
second, it was
He
six
was
in a
laughing.
row. So ये कोई one
Exactly.
off isolated
and हर
incident.
जगह-
Kohli was out there. We had lost a fucking World Cup final, and Kohli is out there laughing and joking about RCB signing Jamison or whatnot.
bringing
Why,
to
why do we
RCB.
even care? So that was pretty disgraceful. Like you okay, you are a human being, you can show emotion, but literally laughing after losing a ICC World Championship final, that is not a correct message that you should put forward. And why would you even talk about Jamison, like, and why would you even I don't know, it was pretty shocking post
Yeah, I think what I realized at that time was कि Kohli at I think after the Australia game or some game, he had said it's just another game, WTC. Making the final is just another game. I think before the England series, whereas Ashwin and Pujara and those kind of people were like, this is like our
said,
World
this
Cup.
is my biggest game of my life. Ishan said this is the biggest game. Kohli's best friend Ravi Shastri said this is the big daddy of ICC titles. So clearly the team doesn't see it the same way as Kohli does. But
no, I think it's more convenience also. If you win, it becomes really, really important.
Win, so then you let Shastri
the moment you won Border Gavaskar, in the end, Border Gavaskar is just a bilateral series against two of the top cricketing nations.
But that is the difference between Dhoni and Virat. So I have seen a lot of Dhoni press conferences where he would take the blame upon himself.
Yeah,
he never takes
the blame.
अभी भी बोल रहा था कि best of 3 match series we should do a best
no,
of 3 series.
Even during the IPL itself, Dhoni had taken so much blame last year for CSK.
And even in this year, so even
top to bottom.
Even in this year, Dhoni won a game against CSK and said कि भाई मेरी slow batting could have affected the team. Luckily it did. But I mean, it's horrible.
That has been lacking with Virat Kohli. Like he has gone out so many times. Like he didn't even take the blame today. He was like they bowled well.
They bowled well. You have to do best of 3 matches. You know, you can come back in a series. This that. And he was blaming we could have scored more runs on day one if we had more like that is, and buts में रह गए. ये नहीं बोल सकते कि I am the senior most batsman. I am considered the world's people's delusions. I'm considered the world's best batsman. I should take more responsibility.
Yeah, that is
what. That's been the case since the start of his career. वो बंदा 8 साल में एक IPL नहीं जीता. There's been no consequence at all.
Yeah.
Only consequences.
He just keeps getting
paying him more and more. So he's used to this. Like it's like, you know, if your first day at a job, you'll be there 10 minutes before it starts. Then you'll start being 5 minutes late. Then nobody says anything to you, you'll be 10 minutes late.
But that is something
what
now
you can get away with. अब अगर बंदा 8 साल से कुछ नहीं जीत रहा और उसको आदत है कि कुछ नहीं होगा, so then like he knows that like that's the way he's been brought up. That's what's ingrained in him now.
That shows BCCI's intent as well. Like
yeah, IPL में number of list of captains that have been captain for 4 or more years and not won a title. There's no list. आज तक कोई ऐसा कैप्टन नहीं जो 4 साल कैप्टन रहा और ट्रॉफी नहीं जीता. विराट कोहली 8 साल से है. So he is used
Yeah.
to no consequences, and that clearly I think it was Ramachandra Guha a couple years back who wrote an article on this, that Kohli is basically like the dictator of Indian cricket at this point. Ki it's so much built in his head, and like BCCI have given him so much power that he feels that he can get away with anything, and that's basically what happened.
He is
In
getting away with
2017 maybe
anything.
batting lineup
No, I
failed,
think-
Kumble got fired. No consequence on that end. The coach
Yeah,
got fired
let's
because Kohli
hear
didn't
Sid
like
Jain.
Yeah, let's hear Sid Jain.
No, I
who's
think
been
on
ranting.
another side, I think on another side, positive side, I feel now, like, because of like just the way this podcast has been, I think because of the fans' pressure, I think there is the feeling where Kohli isn't the dictator of Indian cricket anymore. You know, I feel
the only thing that's changed.
it is no, I think it is changing. Right, 2-3 years back, he was. I feel this was one test where going into the test, I felt Kohli is not our main batsman. You know, like
Yeah.
I think 2-3 साल पहले I used to be watching games thinking Kohli only Kohli can save us. Kohli batting है, Kohli 100
बट
मारेगा.
कोहली ने
Team
खुद
batting
किया
better
वो
than
2
Kohli.
साल से रन ही नहीं बनाए तो अपने
हाँ
आप ही
भाई,
लोगों
now
का
he is the
एक्सपेक्टेशन
वही मैं
dispensable
बोल रहा हूँ.
batsman. तब
वही
शायद
मैं
था
बोल रहा
कि
हूँ. That's
we
why it
thought
is
that
changing.
if we thought that maybe if Kohli sacking Kohli as captain, वो if he because of his ego he will not want to play. If we thought that, पहले शायद 2016 2017 में था कि he is indispensable as a batsman. अब उसने I think he doesn't deserve to be in our best T20 side. We've seen him 3-4 years now. Has been mediocre for RCB. Test में he deserves to be in the 11 as a batsman, but he's not like miles ahead of the rest of the pack. Like last 1.5 साल में 26 average है, last 2.5 साल में 40 odd average. So it's like good, deserves to be in the 11, but it's not like
Yeah,
But it's not like there are
transcendent
other people who can
Yeah, I
replace him
think-
easily, right?
Ah,
There's
it's
no,
not that
I
he's
think
no
this,
one of
indispensable
this
reliable
debate
anymore.
this debate will go on forever. Let's like
Yeah, I think
round it up.
just final thing on the list bit was Fab 4 में अब एक ही बंदा है जिसने कुछ नहीं जीता है as a captain. Actually Steve Smith also, but Steve Smith has won the World Cup.
Joe
तो
Root
हाँ,
ने भी captain नहीं जीता, but
हाँ,
he has
but
also,
they won the
but
World
they
Cup.
have won. Like Smith has
हाँ.
won a World Cup as the leading run scorer of the winning team. Root has
But yeah, so
won
the
a World
Kohli
Cup as
also
the
won
leading
World
run
Cup.
scorer of a winning
but
Kohli
I-
also has won
ये agenda है.
Kohli has
that-
won a
that
World
was-
Cup riding on just being there for the ride.
But that was
There's a difference.
that was before Fab 4. Fab 4 बनने के बाद की बात
Kohli
कर
ने
रहा हूँ.
खुद बोला है कि he didn't feel much about that World Cup win because he didn't contribute a lot to that and he was not expected to. Smith
Yeah,
and
but
Root have
when-
won
when
World
he's
Cup being the
expected
top
to-
scorer of the winning team. There's a
Yeah,
difference.
But
I mean,
yeah,
मेरा point था कि
let's
Fab
just-
4 बनने के बाद. Anyway, let's move on and do the last topic. I think this has been a very hot and debate full of debate podcast. Last topic was what changes do you expect or what changes should happen in the Indian test setup so that we can finally get over the line, or maybe not in the Indian test setup, just generally. We have a World Cup coming, hopefully, most probably in Dubai very soon in a few months' time. It was in India. Now it's in Dubai. I mean, I don't know how to feel about our chances now. What should change? I'll go first in there. I think India desperately need a more liberal, a more open coaching staff, which is open to criticism and open to improvement. I think one big problem with the current management is border कुछ भी जीते, so that becomes very important. Because बॉर्डर गावस्कर जीते तो कहाँ थे सब लोग, इतनी बड़ी जीत है, we won, we conquered them.
If you remember 2018 में South
हाँ.
Africa में we lost the test series 1-1
3-1
dead rubber.
हाँ.
उसके बाद one day में we were beat them like 5-1 because
हाँ.
half of their side wasn't playing, and then उसके बाद रवि शास्त्री आगे बोल रहा है where's that press journalist who was saying that like you're basically
मतलब
like इतनी
वही है कि
relevant victory के बाद nobody even remembered that.
exactly, कुछ
वो
भी जीत लो,
attitude है कि कुछ भी
वही है,
जीत गए,
कुछ भी जीत गए तो वो
शादी
बहुत
वालेंगे.
important है. The moment you lose, you just hide behind saying things like 45 minutes of bad ये
2-year process.
ये है best
This
team
year
over
Test
World
cricket
Cup,
doesn't matter. It's
best
our
team
T20 World Cup है.
best team over 2 years, best team over World Cup and all of that. So I think
Best touring
it has
Indian
to
side.
change. And the second thing that has to change, I think there is no doubt in my mind that Virat Kohli is not fit enough to lead this Indian team. Rohit Sharma is available. He's cemented his spot in the test matches as well. Just make that change. I mean, it's going to be a huge change, obviously. And
it will surely be Rahane captain, right? Because he's vice captain
I
right
would
now.
say
yeah,
test mein
maybe
Rahane
Rahane,
limited
test mein Rahane is okay. I don't mind that. I personally don't like split captaincy, to be honest. I personally am more. I still connect the three formats. I think most boards don't now. But anyway, I think from my perspective, I think we need to get better coaching staff. People like Mahela Jayawardene who've done so well with Mumbai Indians, and there've been so many applicants who applied. I mean, Jonty Rhodes applied for fielding coach, and Bharat Arun, or who is our fielding coach right now? Bharat Arun is bowling coach, right?
Arshidhar.
Arshidhar is there.
वो
Jonty
बात
Rhodes
है,
applying,
first
and
I do my job and fielding का अभी तक है वैसी ही वैसी है।
भाई वो
and
बुमराह का कैच देखा आज लास्ट में?
आज भी
हाँ,
आज भी drop 2 catches दिए।
keeps dropping like that, man. Like कब से उसका
बस वो
Anyway.
अश्विन के पॉडकास्ट पे आके झूठ मार ले, काम ना करे।
Anyway, Siddharth Jain, what changes do you want to see in this team so that we can finally get over the line? Let's talk from the perspective of the World Cup, because I think the key is the mentality. What changes do you think?
So I think limited overs and test ka very different setup we have, because limited overs I feel like we have a very strong backup, right?
But result
Openers
same
like
है.
Rohit.
But result दोनों में यही
हाँ.
है कि मेन
हाँ.
टूर्नामेंट में अच्छा करेंगे, फाइनल में
Result-
जाके
हाँ
we'll lose.
भाई,
I feel-
it's not a
I feel
one-off
for
की
it-
बोल रहे हैं कि अलग टूर्नामेंट है, one-off नहीं है, it's the same story.
nahi, I agree, but I feel result is not related to 11 in limited overs at least.
Hmm.
For sure, I think limited overs mein we have the bowling we need, we have the batting, we have the flexibility in the batting we need. It is just us din pe it's 11 versus 11 and we haven't turned up. But I feel like limited overs, nothing needs to change. Literally nothing needs to change. Like we have flexible batting lineup. Literally, we have all rounders. We need the all rounders. We have Hardik fit. We have the bowling. We have the pace. We have the spin options. Obviously, Kuldeep and Chahal have declined. And
But if
I don't know what,
Kohli fails to win this T20 World Cup as well, should he just walk away after that?
No,
He
yeah,
won't.
I feel
आज
like
तक नहीं गया,
he
कल क्यों
won't.
करेगा?
He won't. मतलब किसी
आज
को
तक नहीं आई शर्म, कल क्यों आएगी? Like what?
But
What's
no,
your
I
agenda?
feel like the closer series is the England series, which is where the focus should be right now, especially for the test setup, right? Because for test setup, I feel like in our batting we don't have backups. It's as simple as that. It was just on the poster, right? There's no one to replace Pujara. There's no pressure on Pujara. There's no pressure on Rahane, right?
Middle
So I
order के
feel-
bat different कोई भी
But I do have a like looking at the England series upcoming. So see, I Pujara has been struggling. So it's a 5-test match series. So we can experiment even if we lose 1 or 2. It doesn't really matter because I think our cycle is pretty easy for us to recover the points if that is needed. But one change we can just play around a little bit is apart from the bowling in the batting, which I would probably is maybe give Mayank another go at opening with Rohit.
But
Push
I
Gill
feel
at
like why push Gill at 3, that's fine. But I feel like don't drop
push
Gill.
Gill
Right?
at 3.
Don't drop Gill because if you're developing youth. And
No, I'm not telling to drop
Yeah,
Gill.
I mean, Gill can bat at like 6 if
Gill
you're going with 4
Gill can bat
frontline
till 4. I
bowlers.
feel Gill can bat at 4. Like at 4 I feel that's where he's
नहीं
played.
होने
Like
वाला।
So
But अपना spot नहीं देगा ना. The
हाँ,
moment
वही
Kohli,
that's one
the
of-
last time Kohli was asked to give his spot to someone in cricket, he publicly told in the press conference, "It never works for us, but still we try it." So I remember
but
that.
I feel
So
with that combination,
uh,
but with that combination, we'll have Mayank, Rohit. Those two are decent, play with decent strike rate. Then we have Gill at 3. Then we'll continue the same with
No, I feel like we shouldn't forget Rahul
Rahane.
as well. Now that Rahul is fit, right? Somehow include him in the test setup because I feel like Rahul can bat at 3 or 5. Can't bat at 4.
Yeah,
उसने
that
किया
is
था
what I'm
last
telling
time भी
you.
England में कुछ नहीं हुआ।
Now there's no keeping pressure also because I feel like Pant will be our keeper in the future. That's what.
No,
Obviously,
no
I'm a Pant
doubt.
supporter, but the way
Pant
he's
has
played.
cemented his. Yeah,
No, that's what I'm
cemented
saying.
his-
So I feel
Fine.
like
By
now
no
we-
one
now we
cements
need
his place in this
Yeah.
setup.
Pant was
Except-
not
Now
part
we
of
need
our
to put-
lineup
yeah.
6 months ago.
we need to
Anyway.
give numbers to our backups, right? Like limited overs,
Hmm.
we
So-
have given numbers to
But
backups.
यार
that
England series में नहीं
opener
कर
में
सकते
ये-
ना वो। This is one of
No,
the
but
things
I'm
वो
telling-
Bangladesh
five
के
match series, right? 5 match
I'm
series
telling
rotation homework.
start with your strongest 11 in first 2
Hmm.
matches. Start with the same 11 as what you played in the World Test Championship, maybe barring you get Siraj in for Jadeja if that is the case, looking at the condition, or Siraj in place of Bumrah or XYZ player, I don't mind that. But I don't think we should tweak much. We should go with them in the first 2 lineup and then probably go ahead and see how they do. If they still don't perform, then probably we try Gill and then go ahead with that. So that is one of my approach for the T20 World Cup. Only one approach give captaincy to Rohit. That's it.
And drop Kohli from T20, I would say. Different.
T20 में तो कायदे
That
से
should
जगह
be
बनती नहीं है विराट कोहली की,
An-
because
Like
KL Rahul better opener runs wise,
Dhawan
Rohit के
better
साथ
opener.
another
Dhawan better
debate.
opener,
Another debate.
but that's for another debate.
Surya
Anyway,
Kumar Yadav better
we'll move
opener.
to
वो
3, 4,
सितंबर में
5
करेंगे.
लोग.
We'll let the squad come out वो सितंबर में.
we'll move to Siddharth Trian now. Siddharth, what should change for the next series, and then moving on?
Two very different questions. What should change and what will change? So what will change? Obviously nothing.
Nothing.
We'll go in with the exact same lineup, exact same tactics. वो तो पता है. Now should change in my fantasy world. Obviously, as like a couple of you said, Kohli needs to step down. I think it's like after I don't know how long you can go without a morsel of self introspection. Like 8 साल में एक बार भी self introspect नहीं हुआ कि खुद से ही step down कर दो. I mean, लोग बोलते हैं he didn't make any mistakes, but it's not about just not making mistakes. It's also about getting the best of your lineup, which Rahane clearly did in Australia. Then second thing I would do is, again, not going to happen. I would say Rahane needs to bat at 4. Almost every team, best batsman bats at 4. That also sends Kohli the message that you are not indispensable anymore. You can bat at 5, bat at 6, whatever. But you need to send a message that you're not the best batsman anymore. As like over the last 2 years, Rahane has been better over his career. Rahane is a better overseas batsman. So ऐसा भी नहीं है कि कोहली के सिर्फ down 2 साल की वजह से I'm saying this. Rahane over his career average is more away than Kohli. So that's one more change that I would make. And obviously, coaching staff. I think Ravi Shastri has his merits. He's a great motivator, but he's probably not the best tactical or analytical
post
mind.
भी
And I
motivator की
think
कर दो फिर, coach क्यों
a
बनाया?
motivator वही, like keep him in the coaching staff,
But
but don't
like-
make it keep him head coach. Like you need
Is there
somebody like
anyone like
Mahela,
him?
Ricky Ponting, वैसे type का कोई head coach होना चाहिए. Keep
The
Shastri,
moment
he has his value, but he's not. I don't think he's fit enough to be a head coach. उसका
Is
value
there
है.
anyone except Rahul Dravid, like in the Indian setup, who's a good coach? Like I haven't read
I
anything.
would
so
say
don't know.
even Rahul
I'm
Dravid is
asking.
not a good coach. That's a
Then, like, is there anyone else? Do you know anyone top of your head who's currently a good?
No.
working in
It
See,
the
doesn't
setup?
need to be Indian, na.
doesn't need to be
No,
Indian.
I'm just saying.
The moment, see, the kind of coaches who worked for us, Gary
Gary
Kirsten,
Kirsten are one of
calm,
our greatest
cool,
coaches.
composed, stays in the background, just makes the decisions, makes strong decisions. I mean, I never thought ki during that time ki the team was playing for Dhoni or Dhoni ka numbers बढ़ाने के लिए. Even Dhoni was the most selfless so many times in limited overs. Then Duncan Fletcher worked well for us. We won the Champions Trophy, made the final of the World T20 World Cup and all of that. Even though he was primarily a test cricket coach, but again very nice, in the background, calm, quiet person. And then Ravi
Even
Shastri is like,
Shastri shined when Kohli was not there.
and then
Like even Shastri gave an anecdote to Australia made it so well.
and then there is the opposite, Greg Chappell and Ravi Shastri world, where they are flamboyant, bigger than the team kind of persona. So anyway, I think we have spent a lot of time today. I think needed to vent out a little bit. So sorry for the rants, but I
I'm sure
hope you
everybody
will.
feels the same way, disappointed, angry, some way or the other.
Yes, so I think yeah, that's pretty much it. Do like us, do share the video, and do subscribe to either our Instagram channel or YouTube channel, wherever you're watching this.
No, subscribe to both.
Subscribe to
And
both.
praise Malay sir's t-shirt as well in the
Oh, stay safe. Stay safe.
And stay safe. It's a disappointing loss, but that's what it is.
We move
it's a game
on.
in the
It's
end. We
coming
move
What
on.
on.
doesn't kill us makes us stronger.
71st.
Hopefully.
It's happening soon.
71st will happen in. Okay, he's not going to Sri Lanka.
What will happen first? 71st century or our 71 episodes?
71 episodes.
What will happen
Aye.
first, 71st century or Arsenal winning the Premier League title? I think better question.
Both will. Arsenal winning the Premier League, I don't think in our lifetime is going to happen. But anyway, let's close now. Thank you for watching, guys. Do let us know how do you like the episode, and we'll be back very soon with our next episode. See you. Bye bye.